Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our YouTube channel Competent. So here we are with another video on quantitative aptitude. In today's video, I will discuss a topic percentage from quantitative aptitude only. This is an important topic for any competitive recruitment examination, as you will find questions directly from percentage, and again you can use the concept of percentage while solving another topics. Right now, the two basic things actually you have to learn about percentage is conversion of percentage into fraction and conversion of fraction into percentage. So let's first see how can you convert a given percentage into fraction and a given percentage into a given fraction into percentage. So let's take an example. Say you have to convert 20% and 4 by 5. You have to convert 20% into fraction and a fraction 4 by 5 into percentage, right? So percentage is basically expressing something in terms of 100. So you can write 20 by 100 simply. So 20 by 100 will become 1 by 5 eventually. So fraction form of 20% is 1 by 5. Now while converting 4 by 5 into fraction, you just have to multiply 4 by 5 by 100. 4 by 5 into 100, which will become 520 is 100, so 4 into 20 is 80. 80% is your answer, right? So basically what I have done here is 20%, 20 by 100, so 1 by 5, while converting 20% into fraction. Now while converting 4 by 5 into percentage format, just multiply 4 by 5 by 100, which will become 80%. Now let's see some simple fraction to percentage conversion, starting with half. So half is basically half into 100. How much? Half into 100 is 50%. Half into 100, half into 100 is 50%. Similarly, one third will become 33 1 by 3% or 33.33%. Similarly, 1 by 4, 100 by 4 is 25%. 1 by 5, 100 by 5, 20%. 1 by 6, 100 by 6, or you can write 50 by 3 also, so 16, 2 by 3%. Now again 1 by 7, 14, 2 by 3%. Sorry, 14, 2 by 7%. Yeah, it's 14, 2 by 7% only. Again 1 by 8. 1 by 8 into 100. Now you can find the answer of 1 by 8 from 1 by 4. So 1 by 8 is what? Basically 1 by 8 is half of 1 by 4. So the percentage form will also be a half of 25%. 1 by 4 is 25%. So 1 by 8 is half of 25%, which is 12.5%. Half of 25% is 12.5%. Now 1 by 9 is 11. 1 by 9%, and 1 by 10 is 10%. So if you can remember these basic conversions, this will definitely help you in speeding your calculation while solving simplification or solving any other topic where you can use the concept of percentage. All you have to do is just multiply the fraction by 100. Now again in 1 by 8, what I have done is 1 by 8 is basically half of 1 by 4. So the answer is half of 25%, which is 12.5%. Now let's see how can we use the basic concept of percentage while solving simplification. Now let's take an example. Say you have to find 55% of 32. 55% of 32. Just break 55% into two parts, 50% and 5%. 50% and 5% of 32. Now 50% of 32 is 50% is half, so 50% of 32 is half of 32, which is 16, and 5% is, if you convert 5% into fraction, then it will become 1 by 20. 5% is 1 by 20, or 1 by 20 into 32, right? 1 by 20 into 32, or 32 by 20. But again, if you compare 5% and 50%, 5% is what? 5% is basically 1/10 of 50%. 5 is 50 by 10. You can write 5 is 50 by 10. 50% of 32 is 16, right? 16 plus 5. 5 you can write it as 50 by 10. 50 by 10%. 50 by 10% of 32. 50 by 10% of 32. Now 50% is 16. Again, 50% of 32 will give you 16. 16 by 10. 16 by 10 is how much? 16 by 10 is 1.6. So 16 plus 1.6, or 17.6 is our answer, right? First, break 55% into two parts, 50% and 5%. And 50% of 32 is 16, and 5% is basically 50 by 10%. Now 50% of 32 is 16, so 16 by 10. 16 by 10 is 1.6. 16 plus 1.6 is 17.6. Now let's take another example, another question of simplification based on percentage. Now let's say you have to find 24% of 225. 24% of 225 is 24 by 100 into 225, right? If you convert 24% into fraction, 24 by 100 into 225, or you can write it as 225 by 100 into 24, or 225% of 24. 225% of 24. Now, like I have done in the previous question, break 225% into two parts. 200% plus 25% of 24. Now 200% of 24. 200% of 24 is 100% of 24 is 24. So 200% of 24 is basically 2 times 24, which is 2 times 24 is 48. 2 times 24 is 48, and 25% is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into 24 is 6. So your final answer is 54. So what I have done here is break 225 into two parts, 200% and 25%, right? 200% of 24 is simply the double of 24, which is 48, and 25% is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of 24 is 6. So 48 plus 6 is 54. So answer of this question, 24% of 225 is 54. Like this, you can solve simplification questions based on percentage. Now let's take another example, another question based on percentage. If A is 20% more than B, then B is how much percent less than A? How much percent less than A? If A is 20% more than B, then B is how much percent less than A? Now we will solve this question by using this concept of percentage only. I'm not going to form any equation here. So let's say B is 100, the value of B is 100, let us assume. So if B is 100, then A is 120. As per question, A is 20% more than B, so the value of A is 120. Now we have to find the answer with respect to A. Right, less than A is given. So just write 120 here, value of A, and write the difference here like that. 120 minus 100, which is 20 by 120 into 100. Into 100 is as we have to convert our answer, which was previously in fraction, into percentage. So 50 by 3%, 50 by 3%, or 16 2 by 3%. So all you have to do here is just assume B is 100. Now A is 20% more than B. So if B is 100, then the value of A is 120. Right. Now as we have to find our answer with respect to A, so just write 120 and find the difference. 120 minus 100, 120 minus 100 is 20, 20 by 120 into 100, 20 by 120 into 100, so finally 50 by 3 or 16 2 by 3 is our answer. Now let's take another example based on the same pattern, only. If A is 25% less than B, now in this question A is 25% less than B, then B is how much percent more than A? How much percent more than A? So again, I'll be using the basic concept of percentage here. So let us assume B is equal to 100, then A is equal to 75 because A is 25% less than B. Again, we have to find our answer with respect to A. So I will write 75 here and the difference of 100 and 75, which is 100 minus 75 is 25 into 100. So 25 by 75 into 100, eventually it will become 1/3 of 100. So our answer is 33.13%, or you can write it as 33.33% also. You will see this type of question in state government recruitment examination based on percentage. So although it looks simple, but And these type of questions are very important for state government equipment examination. Now let's take. So this will be all for today. In our upcoming videos, we'll discuss this some more questions based on percentage. So if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.